Hi guys, it's Weedit, and this is it's a project share, and it's also kind of a quickie gift idea. It does not take long to make a clasp necklace. It takes a little bit longer because you have to string more beads, and that's really the only difference. Laying out is still quick and easy. I do recommend a piece of felt or a layout board or a beading mat, but you can do it as long as you've got something that'll keep the beads from rolling everywhere. A little bit of wire. If you're going to use beads that have some weight to them, then use a heavier wire like this. Okay, this will hold these beads nicely. This is gorgeous. This was a Christmas present. The beads were a Christmas present, and I put the necklace together. I already have the bracelet and the earrings to match. I've already done those. So the bracelet was just, the necklace is just what I needed to finish up. This is a red coral jasper, if I'm not mistaken. The cylinder beads are a green coral jasper. I have some little copper accent beads, metal, and then some cut glass beads as well to add just a touch of sparkle. So it's beautiful. It feels very comfortable on. But again, this is quick and easy to do. The only tools you really need: a pair of side cutters and a tube crimping tool. And you don't even have to have wire carriers. You can get by without those, but you do need the crimp beads. I do tend to set on something, especially like this, I do tend to set my crimp beads with hypo cement, and here is my little tiny thing of hypo cement. This lasts you for a very, very long time, and it's not that expensive to begin with. So if you've got some beads in your stash, think about bracelets and necklaces. They make good, quick gifts. But it always amazes me when I go to make a necklace just how quick and easy it really is. So hope you found something helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.